To manage vibrations on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all, let's open the Galaxy wearable app on the smartphone device currently connected with our smartwatch. Next step is to move down and select watch settings. Right here we'll be able to find sound and vibrations, and now we can adjust all of the settings. Starting with the top section, you can put it on sound, on the vibrate. If you select sound, you can also enable vibrations. There's also mute, which will disable both vibrations and sounds. There's vibration settings that you can put on the duration with short and long, intensity with light or strong vibrations as well. We have call vibrations that you can adjust. It will change how the vibrations will feel like. Just select whichever one you like. I recommend to actually wear your watch so you will feel them. There's notifications vibrations, and it works the same way but when you receive notifications. And finally we have the system vibrations that we can enable for touch interactions, dialing keypad, Samsung keyboard and charging. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.